Hello guys. So my name is Rahul Chaudhary and I have started the new playlist for those students they have struggle in the DSA. So I have started with the basics. So I have solved the DSA problem in the leetcode. So the problem's name is merge sorted array. So you can put statements here. Uh, are given two integer array num1s and num2 sorted in non-decreasing order. Both are the sorted in non-decreasing order, and two representing the number of elements in num1 and num2 respectively. Means the m is the length of num1s and the n is length of num2. So merge num1s and num2 into a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. So here result we get the array nums1, right? So this question, the approach we can consider the merge the array while maintaining the sorted order. I will apply two pointer approach. So I will initialize pointer for the last element of both num1 and num2 along with the point from their ends. Okay, comparing and placing the larger one at the end num1. By doing so, I will ensure that the final merge array remains sorted. Okay. And one thing is nums1 has enough space. Okay. To accommodate all element from the both array. Right? The last n element in num1 are set to 0, indicating this will be right. So we solve using the two pointer approach. So we have num1s and num2. So we are starting with the nums. We are first we are initialize two variables. Let nums1 let I is equal to nums length is -1. It's indicating the last element of nums1, and the second element is r is equal to n -1, the last element. So we are comparing both the element. It's the first element is num1's uh, biggest element, and the second is r, means nums2 second element, okay, highest element in the nums2. So we are comparing both of them, and whichever the element is bigger, we just put the last end of nums1 array, right? So for this, we are taking one uh, merge index is equal to m plus n minus 1, right? And we are going to run loop. So loop is running till to the 0, I greater than or equal to 0, and r greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So inside this, we are checking the element. If we are given condition and check the elements, the nums1 of I, if nums1 of I is greater than nums2 of R, what we can do? We are just, whatever the big element, we just place in the last of nums array, right? So the nums1 of merge index, so merge index indicating the last element, represent the last index, right? So nums1 and the merge index, so we are putting nums1 of I and decrement the I, and given the else condition, if the nums2 is big, then we are just changing here, copy here, paste nums1, num2 of R, right? R minus, and also decrement merge index. It is also required, right? And in the edge case, if suppose there are left element in the nums2 after doing while loop, then we want to run one more loop for checking that condition where R is greater than or equal to 0. If R is greater than or equal to 0, then we are putting here and merge index minus minus, right? And function return nums1 array. Okay. Okay. So the test case is accepted. Now we are submitting this problem. Okay. So you can see the submission is accepted. So you can see the merge sorted array is submitted. So in the second video, we will learn about the remove element. Okay. So in this playlist, we learn all the 150 top interview the question that repeatedly asked in the interview. So go through this playlist and learn all the DSA questions that required for your interview.